into the world of time management and discipline. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply seeking to make the most out of your time, this video is packed with valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your goals and boost productivity. Get ready to unlock the secrets to effective time management and cultivate the discipline needed to stay focused and motivated. Let's get started. We'll begin by discussing the importance of time management in our daily lives. We'll explore how effective time management empowers us to prioritize tasks, eliminate procrastination, and make the most of our limited resources. By taking control of our time, we can achieve greater productivity and create a better work-life balance. We'll delve into the significance of setting clear goals and priorities. We'll discuss how identifying our objectives allows us to allocate our time and energy efficiently, ensuring that we focus on activities that align with our long-term aspirations and values. We'll explore the benefits of creating a structured schedule or daily routine. We'll provide tips on organizing tasks, allocating specific time blocks for different activities, and utilizing productivity tools such as calendars, to-do lists, and time tracking apps. We'll discuss common time wasters and strategies to overcome them. We'll address distractions like social media, excessive multitasking, and disorganized workspaces, providing practical tips on how to minimize their impact and stay focused on our priorities. We'll highlight the importance of effective delegation and outsourcing tasks when necessary. We'll discuss how delegating responsibilities to others, whether at work or in personal life, frees up our time and allows us to focus on high priority tasks that align with our strengths and expertise. We'll shift gears to the topic of self-discipline. We'll explore why discipline is essential for achieving long-term success and overcoming challenges. We'll provide strategies for developing and self-discipline, such as setting clear boundaries, creating positive habits, and maintaining a growth mindset. We'll discuss the role of accountability and motivation in maintaining discipline. We'll explore strategies such as finding an accountability partner, tracking progress, celebrating milestones, and cultivating a supportive environment to stay motivated and committed to our goals. We'll address the common struggle of procrastination and provide actionable tips to overcome it. From breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps to utilizing time blocking techniques and leveraging the power of deadlines. We'll equip viewers with effective strategies to conquer procrastination and stay on track. We'll emphasize the importance of self-care and achieving a healthy work-life balance. We'll discuss how managing time effectively allows us to prioritize self-care activities, maintain overall well-being, and prevent burnout, ultimately enhancing our productivity and happiness. As we conclude this video, let's reflect on the power of time management and discipline in our lives. By implementing the strategies and techniques we've discussed, we can take control of our time, achieve our goals, and create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Let's commit to mastering time management and cultivating discipline, knowing that These skills will pave the way for our success and personal growth. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a more productive and a disciplined future. Effective time management and discipline are invaluable skills that can transform our lives and boost our productivity by implementing the strategies and techniques discussed in this video. We can take control of our time, accomplish our goals, and create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Let's commit to prioritizing our tasks, eliminating time wasters, developing self-discipline, and embracing a healthy work-life balance. Remember, mastering time management and cultivating discipline is a continuous journey. So stay consistent, stay motivated, and enjoy the fruits of your efforts. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.